Alright guys, this is the hole with the culvert we were in yesterday, down here this morning. Come down, little deer tracks coming down here. Hoping there's like a nice brown or native out in there. Alright guys, it's Martin Finch with AVetHunt. I got my Gridge hat on for luck this morning. And we're getting ready to throw in this hole. Hopefully catch us a native or maybe a brown. My tree's kind of my phone's kind of hanging up in a tree. So I don't know how much of the hole you can really see. But we're gonna try some red worms. All right, we got it rigged up. What I don't have is a bobber, and I don't know if that's going to make a difference or not. I didn't bring the bobber with me. I may have one in the car, but I'm going to have to go back up and get it. Oh, I'm used to my pole and just threw clear across the river up in the tree. All right, let's try this again, take two. Let's hope we don't crash clear across the creek. Might have to, like I said, might have to go up and get this bobber. Not sure how this is going to work. Go on, beaver butt. Go on there, beaver butt. Got one, I'm going. Show what we got. Rock bass. Another species. Got one on here. I don't know what it is. I ain't seen it. Oh, I lost it. Messed around with the camera. So we caught one bluegill. We caught a rock bass. We caught a trout that broke our line. Then we caught a nice native. They call them brooks up here. I call them natives. To me, a native is a brook is a native trout that's stocked. So I don't know if they stock these in here or not. If anybody's from Michigan or knows the real answer, feel free to comment below. Oh, got one. Oh, it's like a big fish. Come on, baby. Get this in. Oh, what do I have? Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh my. It's like a big smallie. That might have been what broke my line earlier. I had no idea these things were in here. Man, you got a few pound test on. I borrowed a rod, so I don't have a big horse chest. Let's see if I can land this fish. Ooh, easy now. Easy now. Come on. Come here. Come here. Ooh. 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 shut. Oh, yeah. Oh, snapped my line at shore, baby. But I hand caught him. Look at the size of that smallmouth, boys. Wow. Look at that. Guys, I know we were on a fish eating trip and stuff, but I'm going to release this one back. I got enough fish for the trip, and I was here to catch a couple trout to eat for finish it off. Man, what a fish. I'm going to say it's 18, 19, 20 inches long. Wow. It's definitely 3 pounds, 4 pounds, somewhere in that area. All right, here we go with the release. Ooh. Yeah, baby. All right, guys, I'm retied, back on, and I'm out in the water. So we caught a smallmouth, a rock bass, a native, and a bluegill. And we got something on. Doesn't feel very heavy, running at me. Ooh, another bluegill, sunfish. That bluegill. What a beautiful morning. Fish are biting. Great day to be alive. That was a nice smallmouth. What a fight this little crick too. I can't believe it broke the line right when it got to the bank and I still got it. You can hear the cars. I'm not that far from the road. I'm in a secret little honey hole. Captain Potter turned this on too. It was on and it wasn't. Oh, out of my hands, but he's not out anymore. I'm not even sure what species this little guy is. I'll be honest. It almost looks like a little perch. Guys, they got tied on and everything again. We're heading back today, so just hit it a little bit this morning before we head back. Ooh. I think I got him. Yeah, I do. Little guy. Bluegill. Holy crap, I caught a fish and didn't have to retie. Oh, well, maybe I spoke too early. That's always nice. No retie, great. Guys, we're giving away a free deer hunt. Southern Ohio, we're gonna buy your license, tag, pay for your lodging, everything. All you gotta do is subscribe, like, and share our videos. Make a comment so I know your name. We're gonna pick one on July 27th. And there's a fish. Oh. I think I weeded the big ones out in this hole maybe. It'll be time to move on. We're gonna catch one more fish. If it's a dink, we're gonna go to the next hole. We've never been past this hole. Tell what it is. Oh, it's a nice fish. It's like a nice one. Oh, he's fighting hard. Oh, he's got me in brush. He's got me hung up. Oh, he's over there. He's over there. Got me in that log. Probably not gonna get this fish. I don't know if you guys can see that over there. He's gonna have to get out himself. I don't know what to do. I'm kind of at the mercy. All right, guys, he's hooked over here. I don't know if you can see it or not. He's hooked. I'm going to do the right thing and take off my clothes and go and get him. Because he's going to be hooked. If I break the line, he's going to be hooked on that log. I got him loose, guys. We'll get back in there. Oh yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. All right, guys. Video's 12 minutes and 35 seconds. I'm back dressed, ready to go. 2 more for a limit. The loon was just making this noise. I love those loons. All right, we're back in the water. I gotta remember to not let them go left. Ooh, got him. That little, I'm not sure what it is, but it ain't got any weight. Rock bass. Oh, missed. I finally didn't catch a fish. Thought I felt a little, could have been the rapids. The bite's getting a little tentative in this hole. Give it one more. I was going to quit on the last one and then hook the biggest one I caught of the day. With this 3-pound test on, I thought I would have jerked it all down there. I would have snapped the fish. Fish would have been tied up and would have died. More likely. So that's why I went over there and got him. Took a few minutes. and it got wet. Beautiful day. I already feel good and dry. I just took I went over my long johns and then just took them off. Worked out perfect. You see, I got a fish. I do have a fish. He's just following me. Another little bluegill. Something's packing, probably small fish out. I'm not trying to catch a bunch of small bluegill. Add a little more meat to the bone. Well, guys, Martin Fitz AVet. I think I'm gonna head back. I didn't get the limit. Probably could have. We stuck around. I got a long drive. I broke that last line, and you got one hook left. If I do decide to go, it'll be a different hole. But I think I'm gonna call it a day. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and win our free hunt.